In 7 seconds, you're gonna see why my garage is the coolest.
Stop scrolling!
Light it, Sweaty Bob! My place is pretty cool. But you wanna know what's even cooler? My MrCool DIY unit. MrCool DIY is a ductless mini split you mount on your exterior wall that brings in cool or warm air depending on your preference. The key word is ductless, meaning no expensive or messy drywall and ducts. Just measure, drill, mount, and connect your MrCool air handler to the weatherproof outdoor condenser. And it's got Wi-Fi, so you can turn it off and on from wherever. So if you like to be comfortable,
I don't want to smell like Sweaty Bob.
click now and go to MrCoolDIY.com.
Please click. I'm so hot.
Sure you are, Bob. The MrCool DIY is an engineering masterpiece. It comes with everything you see here. A powerful weatherproof condenser.
And a sideways fan that helps keep the debris out. Wow, that's super quiet.
25 feet of pre-charge line sets and a drain line.
So you can reach anywhere you need.
And the super sleek air handler.
And a remote control that takes the temperature of the room instead of the temperature of the machine. And all the installation materials you could need.
You can also connect to your Wi-Fi and use your smart device to change the temperature to your comfort.
Oh!
Whoa! That's pretty cool. Traditional AC takes hundreds of feet of ductwork running through your house, weeks of construction, and not to mention messy drywalls. But MrCool DIY is as powerful as traditional AC units and saves you thousands of dollars in labor and materials. Trust me, save your money. Get a MrCool. Even Bob here was able to install it in just a few hours. But you're much smarter than he is.
It's true.
So go to MrCoolDIY.com today. That's a good look on you.
Really?
No.
God, he's so cool.
MrCool is perfect for any space that needs climate control because it's affordable and everything you need is in the box with a 7-year compressor warranty, a 5-year parts warranty, fast shipping, and easy returns.
Hang on a second.
MrCool's a simple solution with size options that fit any space.
And size is important in this situation.
And because MrCool is so simple, you can install it anywhere, like garages,
Workshops,
kitchens,
man caves,
vaulted rooms,
basements,
living rooms,
theaters,
game rooms,
new additions.
and rooms on the other side of your house away from the main AC unit because staying cool is important. Oh yeah!
Because let's face it, it's hard to be cool when you're sweating like a polar bear in Cancun.
You might be thinking MrCool sounds expensive. MrCool's an affordable solution to your cooling problems because you'll save thousands when you compare it to traditional AC. Even when you hire an electrician to connect the electrics, it's still way cheaper.
It's also cheaper than running your old AC constantly because of MrCool's energy efficiency and 22 SEER rating. And they have multiple sizes to fit any space you need. Click the link. Woo.
That was pretty smart, Sweaty Bob.
We've been doing this for a while.
So if you want to be cool,
Who wants to be cool?
and you're short on cash,
Who's short on cash?
then visit MrCoolDIY.com today. Check out all our easy finance options for as low as $40 a month. You can own your own MrCool today.
I want to own my own Mr. Cool.